Act. She decided to act in the school play. Dig. She used a shovel to dig a hole. Lie. She likes to lie on the grass and watch the sky. Smile. She gave a big smile when she saw her friend. Agree. They agree to meet at the park. Dive. He can dive into the pool from the highest boat. Lift. She tried to lift the heavy box. Sneeze. He covered his mouth when he had to sneeze. Answer. She was happy to answer the question correctly. Draw. She loves to draw pictures of nature. Listen. She likes to listen to music while studying. Snore. He snores loudly when he sleeps. Approve. The teacher will approve the project if it follows the rules. Dream. She had a strange dream about flying. Make. He wants to make a cake for his mom. Solve. She can solve difficult math problems. Arrange. He will arrange the books on the shelf neatly. Drink. He likes to drink fresh orange juice. March. The soldiers march in a straight line. Spend. He likes to spend his weekends reading. Arrive. They arrive at school early every day. Eat. He likes to eat fresh fruits. Move. He will move the chair to the other side of the room. Stack. She neatly stacks the plates after washing them. Ask. He will ask the teacher a question. Edit. He needs to edit his essay before submitting it. Nod. He nods his head to show agreement. Stand. She will stand up when the teacher enters the room. Bake. She loves to bake cookies on weekends. Enter. They entered the building through the main door. Open. She opens the window to let in fresh air. Stand up. He will stand up to give his speech. Bath. The baby will bath before bedtime. Exit. They exit the theater after the movie ends. Paint. She likes to paint beautiful landscapes. Study. He studies hard for his exams. Bow. The actor takes a bow after the performance. Fall. He falls off his bike but gets up quickly. Plan. They plan to go on a trip next weekend. Talk. She talks to her best friend every day. Break. He accidentally breaks his phone screen. Fight. The kids fight over a toy, but then they share it. Play. He plays soccer with his friends in the evening. Teach. The teacher loves to teach science. Bring. She brings her lunch to school every day. Fix. He will fix the broken chair. Push. He pushes the door open. Think. She thinks carefully before answering. Build. They build a sand castle on the beach. Fly. Birds fly high in the sky. Read. She reads a book before bedtime. Throw. He throws the ball to his friend. Buy. She buys fresh vegetables from the market. Give. He gives his friend a birthday gift. Replace. He replaces the old tire with a new one. Throw away. He throws away the trash in the bin. Call. She calls her mom every evening. Go. They go to school by bus. Ride. He loves to ride his bicycle. Touch. She touches the soft fur of the cat. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.